Go again. 3, 2, 1. That was totally awesome. Kaboom! Okay, just so y'all know, I shook this up pretty much. So, quite a holy shit. I'm gonna drink that. Did it go through?
Yeah, look at that.
Holy shit!
Look.
Holy crap, that's fucking hilarious.
Look at this. It hit right here and came up the other side right here. See? You can see.
Holy crap. Out with it. And it is.